Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If dry winter air is making your skin itch, stress is keeping you up at night, or you just want a calmer, better smelling home without spraying chemicals everywhere, then you are going to love what I have for you today. We're reviewing the ASAKUKI 500ml essential oil diffuser. This ultrasonic aromatherapy powerhouse turns any room into a relaxing spa with a huge 500ml tank. Remote control, 7 gorgeous LED colors, multiple mist settings, timer, and auto shut off. Head to Amazon right now using the link in the description and grab one. Trust me, this diffuser makes daily relaxation effortless and smells amazing. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let's break down the features of the ASAKUKI essential oil diffuser. It's a sleek, modern design that looks beautiful on any nightstand or desk, with a large 500ml water tank that gives you up to 10 to 16 hours of runtime, depending on the mist level. You get continuous mist for strong aroma or intermittent mist that saves water and keeps the scent going longer. The remote control works from up to 16 feet away, so you can change everything from the couch. Mist mode, timer for 1, 2, or 3 hours, or continuous, and the 7 LED colors that can stay on one shade or gently cycle through all of them like a mini light show. It's ultra quiet, quieter than 23 decibels, so it won't disturb sleep or work. Safety features are awesome. It automatically shuts off when the water runs low to prevent damage, and it's made of BPA-free material that's safe around kids and pets. Setup is super simple. Fill with water, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, plug it in, and you're done. It works as both a diffuser and a humidifier, adding nice moisture to dry air while filling the room with relaxing scents. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are huge. Massive 500ml tank for long run time without constant refills, super quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms, easy remote control that actually works from across the room, beautiful 7-color LED lights that create perfect ambience, multiple mist and timer options for total customization, auto shut-off safety, and the price is fantastic for everything you get. Users rave about how it helps them fall asleep faster, reduces dry air, and makes their whole house smell like a spa. On the con side, the mist can leave a little condensation on surfaces if you run it on high for hours. The plastic build feels good but isn't luxury wood or glass, and you do need to clean it regularly with vinegar and water to avoid any buildup. A few people mention the remote needs line of sight sometimes, but overall the pros win big for everyday use. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely get the ASAKUKI essential oil diffuser if you want easy, long-lasting aromatherapy, better humidity, and beautiful mood lighting in your home. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, yoga spaces, or even nurseries. If better sleep, stress relief, or fresher air sounds good to you, this is the one. If these honest home and wellness reviews are helping you find great products, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend who needs more calm in their life, or subscribe for more. See you next time.